I'm at Comms Vision at Gleneagles, and in the Comms Vision studio, I'll be talking to the most significant movers and shakers in the comms industry. I'm joined here in the Comms Vision studio by the CEO of VanillaIP, Dave Dadds. Welcome. Nice to see you again.
Yeah.
So
Another year.
Another year it is. And VanillaIP is traditionally known in the market for your BroadSoft platform, but the focus now is moving a bit towards the UBOS portal. Tell us about that.
Yeah, I mean we've been in the hosted market for 10 years now. It's amazing how long it's got.
Time flies.
But traditionally we've been known with the BroadSoft platform, and we've still got that today. And that's a very key part of our application portfolio. But for the last 7 years, the UBOS portal has been an ongoing development. Many of our 50 odd partners today are utilising, but they're all utilising some elements of it. Some are using all, some are using less. But really, from our point of view, that development of that portal is really fundamental to be able to get us into a position in the market where we feel that our partners and ourselves can actually scale out not just voice services, but all types of cloud-based application services. So messaging, accounting, whatever else people want to put in today or into the future.
There are a lot of portals out there. What distinguishes yours from your competitors? What sets it apart?
Well, I think the interesting thing with the portal, and we're very pleased to be able to promote our Rubik's Cube at the Comms Vision this year, which is really the idea of the Rubik's Cube is that it identifies and we think visually shows the different elements that make the portal up. So it's everything from the application portal to the reseller portal, the customer self-service portal, technical, all the way through to a billing portal as well. And so you've got these, there are a number, they're some of the components, and there's obviously a whole number of other components that go into that as well. So, and I suppose the real difference for us is that many of the portals that are out there today are delivering a vertical service set. So it might be a portal to deliver hosted voice, it might be a portal that's delivering broadband, mobile, but you're adding your services, but then you're having to go off somewhere else to actually knit them all together to get the billing out. Your customer may be having to look at 3, 4, 5 different portals to get the information they want. Whereas with UBOS, because all the services, both the ones we provide and the ones that our partners want to bring in themselves, everything's in one place.
Right.
So
more convenient, more efficient.
Yeah, and also, from a point of view of, say, data analytics, you're looking at your whole data set across your mobile, your hosted, rather than these separate silos. And then there's other benefits around fraud control, for example, as well. Because you've got everything in one place, you're able to put daily credit limits on users, because as well as creating the user, you're also rating all the traffic in that same environment. So it allows a much richer experience for both the partner and the customer, and hopefully far better ARPUs, because obviously you're looking to upsell services.
So what's the future? How are you going to continue to develop that in the next year? And your BroadSoft and other
Well, I mean,
offerings?
I think it's interesting to know. I mean, the business today, we employ 100 people. 20 of those are sales, marketing, technical support, but 80 are in our software development team. So
you're a software developer, not just an applications provider?
Absolutely, and I mean, we're doing both, but really that software development element is a very, very important part for us to be able to develop the product into 2018 onwards. And we've got a number of initiatives and features going through the portal. Worth noting, one of the most used buttons on our page is our feature request page, and our partners and the customers are putting feature requests through. So everything's being driven by our partners as well as ourselves, but we're very keen to get the involvement and understand what the partners want in the market and what the customers want in the market.
And then design something that fits it.
Well, then you're building the modules. So, if you're going into 2018, you've got things like the PCI compliance, you've got the MiFID areas, e-commerce is becoming bigger and bigger, but you know, how you actually really deliver e-commerce, where you're delivering a relatively complex product, that's an interesting question. So we're not just talking about an application, a dial tone, a message. It's also about, when we talk about applications, it is about e-commerce. You know, how do you enable that in that environment? And so for many of our partners, you know, they've got all various types of skill sets and very, very good skill sets, but not all of them have got software. So that's the bit we'd like to think we bring to the party and add some real value in the business for them.
What a very exciting party it is. So we wish you the best of
You're
luck
invited.
with it. And we hope you come back and tell us more in 2018.
Thank you, Bridget.